Who won the men's singles title of French Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Carlos Alcaraz. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option A, Canada. Who has been appointed as the president of International Court of Justice? Right answer is option B, Yuji Iwasawa. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Gujarat. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Right answer is option C, India. Which has become the fourth capital in the northeast region which is connected to the national rail network? Right answer is option A, Aizawl. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, inaugurated? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. Which country hosted the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option C, Malaysia. The Golden Dragon 2025 joint military exercise was conducted between China and which country? Right answer is option A, Cambodia. Which country topped the medal tally of the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Frederick Merz has become the new Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is option D, Germany. Which of the following countries has recently launched the Golden Visa? Right answer is option C, Vietnam. Who has recently won the title of SAF Under 19 Championship 2025? Right answer is option A, India. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 151st rank. What is India's rank in Human Development Index 2025 released by UNDP? Correct answer is option D, 130th rank. Which location has recorded the highest snow leopard density in the world? Right answer is option C, Ladakh. Anurag Bhushan has recently become India's ambassador to which country? Right answer is option A, Sweden. Recently, Kitchen and Minar wetlands of which state have been added to Ramsar sites? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Which of the following sports have been included in the Asian Games 2026? Correct answer is option D, Mixed Martial Arts. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, Liu Xiaokun of China. Who has become the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Correct answer is option A, MS Dhoni. Who has topped the National Youth Athletics Championships 2025? Right answer is option B, Haryana. In which state will India's first AI-based data park be built? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Who has been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, B.R. Gavai. Where was world's first nuclear energy summit held recently? Correct answer is option A, Belgium. India and which country will jointly celebrate the year 2026 as the Year of Culture, Tourism and Artificial Intelligence? Correct answer is option B, Spain. Exercise Tiger Trimp is a bilateral military exercise conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option D, USA. Where was National Maritime Games 2025 recently inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai. Asia's vertical lift bridge, Pamban Bridge, has been inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. According to the report released by SIPRI, what is India's rank in terms of highest military expenditure? Correct answer is option C, 5th rank. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. International Day for Biological Diversity 2025 was celebrated on which day? Correct answer is option D, 22nd May. Who has been appointed as the director of CBI till May 2026? Right answer is option C, Praveen Sood. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option A, Glasgow, Scotland. Which team has recently won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating Kerala? Right answer is option B, Vidarbha. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam in Netherlands. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Right answer is option A, Banu Mastak. Which Indian state has been officially declared as country's first fully literate state? Correct answer is option B, Mizoram. Who has been appointed as the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Right answer is option D, K. Sanjay Murthy. Who has been awarded with the Digital Transformation Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Mark Carney has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, Canada. Which city will host the 5th Asian Youth Para Games in 2025? Right answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. How many tiger reserves are there in India as of March 2025? Correct answer is option D, 58. India has won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option C, New Zealand. Which year has been declared as the year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Correct answer is option A, 2025. How many medals did India win in World Boxing Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, 6 medals. Khechio-Palri wetland is the first Ramsar wetland site of which Indian state? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Which state topped the Niti Aayog's first Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. This question is as a test that what is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025. Comment the answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video.